What's up, YouTube peeps? This is your neophyte YouTube vlogger. My name is Josh and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we will be reacting to another video of Miss Regine Velasquez, and this video that we'll be reacting to is the encore performance in her Winnipeg leg of Songbird Sings. And this is where she is singing Shine. Regine has performed Shine so many times, and I was just wondering, how did she perform Shine ngayon? Let's begin reacting to the video.
I'd like to leave you with this beautiful song. Para po ito sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po ulit.
I really love this rendition of Shine. Shine was originally done by Miss Ima Castro and performed by Sweet Plantada sa Metropolitan.
I was alone in the shadow, couldn't find my way. Then you came in and brought along the sunshine. Now you're here to stay, 'cause you made me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. Shine, shine with the light that you've given, it's true. I'm shining on, all because of you, So watch me glow, a light shines within me. People ask me why, then I just smile and tell them you're the reason. I've cast the darkness aside, 'cause you made me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, keep me shining through. Shine, shine with the light that you've given to me. I'm shining on, all because of you. Like a ray of light coming through the night, bright as the stars in the sky. See how I shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, keep me shining through. Shine, shine with a light that you've given, it's true. I'm shining all because of you. With a light that you've given, it's true. I'm shining all because of you. Make me shine. Thank you.
So it's time for the reaction. What can I say about her performance here of this song? Well, it's really the encore performance in that last leg of her Songbird Sings sa Canada. And medyo understandable. She has done series of concert that makes her feeling tired, but still she was able to pull through with the entire concert. As far as I know, she has done 3 concerts in Canada dito. 3 legs ang ginawa niya sa Canada, and there are some that she did in the US. So sobrang pagod. And sa pagkakaalam ko, ang interval lang ng concert niya from one concert to another is just 2 days. So, doing series of concert abroad, the weather, the travel and all, and the pagod na nangyari sa kanya, it's understandable for her voice to be this way. What I'm saying is, may pagkakataon evident yung hoarseness ng voice niya, but still she was able to sing it very well. And tulad nga ng mga sinasabi ko dun sa ibang video reaction ko, na this is Regine's new voice. Hindi na talaga maaalis na. There will be hoarseness na maririnig tayo sa boses niya because she's aging, like yung sinasabi niya na she's aging na already. And but still, she's unparalleled. Siya lang yan, si Regine lang yan, and no one can ever compete with how good Regine is. Hindi niya pinakomplicate yung shine. I like that. She simplified the song a little bit, and well, yun lang. The simplicity of the rendition that she did is okay, it's very good. Mas na-appreciate ko yung kanta. Although, syempre, na-expect naman natin na Regine would be doing a lot of flares, a lot of high notes, a lot of lung-buggling interpretation of the song, but she did not do that anyways. But I appreciate it so much that she did it this way. She's incomparable. Regine is Regine. That's her. And I like her the way she is now. I like her before, and I still like her. And I know all the fanatics of Regine is feeling the same way as I do. So that's about it. Medyo tumitila ako may mga manok dito na nakakainis kasi maririnig nyo sa background. Well, anyway, before I end this video, I'd like to invite everybody to please do subscribe to my channel. And if you happen to like the video that you just watched, please hit the like button and also the notification bell for you to be updated with all the video uploads that I'll be doing soon. And leave any comment, any suggestions or requests, just leave them down below. So as I end all my video reaction, please be kind to one another. See you in the next video.